Yep, I'm getting a little nutty with this chicken, and I think you're gonna like it. And it's not even baked yet. To make this nutty baked chicken, let's start with the marinade. This marinade is so simple. Just combine your soy sauce, coconut milk, lime juice, and your sesame oil in a plastic bag or in a large bowl. Then you're gonna mix it up real well, put your chicken in, cover it up, and put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or overnight if you possibly can. The longer the chicken is in that marinade, the more it soaks up all of those flavors and gets extra tender. Next, put your peanuts, coconut, and breadcrumbs in a food processor. Pulse it a few times until you get uniform, finely ground crumbs, and then place all of that into a plastic bag. Remember shake and bake? Same shake, different chicken. So you get the idea. Put all the chicken in the bag one by one, shake it around, make sure that you press that crumb mixture really well onto each piece of chicken, and then lay it out on your baking sheet. The next thing to do is just pop it in the oven to bake. Oh yeah, and any crumb mixture that's left in the bag, I press right on top of the pieces of chicken because that mixture is worth every crumb. While the nutty chicken is baking, it's time to make up the peanut sauce, and this is so easy. All the ingredients go in the blender at the same time. That's peanut butter, soy sauce, sesame oil, lime juice, coconut milk, and honey. Blend it up until it's real smooth, and this is a big batch, so it's enough to put sauce on the chicken and dress a pound of pasta or 4 salads. Take a look real close there. You can see just how beautifully crusted that chicken is, and then how nice and perfectly cooked it is. And the oven did all the work. You didn't even have to break out the oil in the frying pan. Pair with it some steamed vegetables, a little rice, and you've got a meal that the whole family's gonna enjoy. You can find the recipe for this nutty baked chicken at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.